Hi guys, this is the Unpacked Parts with SimplyKate. My name is SimplyKate. Wow. I am with the Dominion. This is the CEO of Home Point.
Yes.
And this is Picanarate.
Please.
Yes. Hi guys, my name is Catherine. I'm of the Unpacked Parts with SimplyKate. I've come to this place to purchase land from the Home Points. They are the ones who have introduced me to this place. Join us, I'm so happy to be here. I'm with the Home Points investment here. And I'm just receiving my title.
Subscribe guys.
Subscribe.
Bye.
Good morning guys. Yesterday it took us so long. But here we are done. This is my outfit for the day. And we are ready to hit the road. See there, we finished with our facials. I think you can see how I'm looking. And that is my hair color. The lighting is not lighting. But I will show you when I am in a place you can see me well. So let's do this. Hi guys, here at Mwingi, we're starting our journey out of Mwingi town towards Garissa, but we won't reach in Garissa. We're just taking a trip around the Garissa road just to see, and then we will be heading back. So join me, let's do this morning. It's just a trip cruising around the counties, and now we are in Mwingi. We headed just on the road of Garissa. We won't make it to Garissa, but we just want to see what happens in this side of town. Enjoy this trip with me. Let's do this. name is Catherine. I'm of the Unpacked Parts with Practicalities. I've come to this place to purchase land from the Home Points. They are the ones who have introduced me to this place. Personally, I've bought my land in Miliki Gardens. I've known the Home Points CEO and the MD for quite some time. So I bought mine and I've come for my title today. And as such, I just want to call upon everybody. If you really want to purchase land from wherever you are, please join Home Points. They don't disappoint. They have done this thing in a period of less than 3 months, and here we are. So I can say, truly speaking, that they have helped me a great deal, because personally I bought my land on my own, and the stress you have to go through looking for title, following up with the lawyers, doing all the things that you have to do, it really takes time. So I would urge you, if you're really looking for land, this is the place to be. And I've been in Miliki Gardens myself. I have one there. I've come here. I want to see where I can fit and other places that they have. And I can ascertain that they are true, they're authentic, and they are very fast. So it's up to you out there to come join us. Some of us that have gotten land, we are living testimony, because today I've come for my title, and not only me and many others that are here, the function that we are having today is for receiving the title. And if I'm not so wrong, the title, the land at the other side is all over 100. So I know over 100, is it 174 something or 348? Many people have come for this land. So I know, and being the people that have seen them, I've followed them even on their YouTube channel, I can attest that they are people you can put your trust in. So I want to invite each one of us out there to join us, to come celebrate as we take our land today. Pick you as where you are, follow up with them on their channels. They have several, I've seen in YouTube, I've seen on other channels. Just follow up with them and call them, get a land with them, because really what we are looking for is authenticity, which they have, loyalty, which they have, honesty, which they have, and I'm glad. And now, as I say this, I'm just a new tuber. I've opened my channel. It's called the Unpacked Parts with Practicalities. Please join in, subscribe, give me a like, give me some love, and let's celebrate this mile together. Hi guys, this is the Unpacked Parts with Practicalities. My name is Practicalities. Wow. I am with the Dominion. This is the CEO of Home Point. Yes. And this is Picanarage. Please. Yeah, so join us. I'm so happy to be here. I'm with the Home Points investment here. Yes. And I'm just receiving my title. Yes. I'm so blessed. We are happy. She has fed me, this beautiful lady here. The meal is wow, you people. If you're I've loved it. I've loved it. If you people are having a function, please.
Practicalities is your
plug. And if you want land, Home Point is the place to be.
Home Point Investments. So if you want vibes, Dominion family. Yeah. So subscribe to at the Unpacked Parts with Practicalities. We do all sorts of vlogs. Oh, nice.
We do home things, we do traveling, we do you name it. We even buy land from Home Point.
Amazing.
And we cook with Picanarage.
Kabisa. Subscribe, guys.
Subscribe.
Bye.